putting a new spin on an infected game here at the NAC. We have a smaller group, so we are not allowed to cross the driveway unless you are infected. And I am infected. I am looking for everybody. So I got Graydon off to my left here, but I'm just trying to play it cool and try and find everybody. I think it might be Mike. He was over messing around. Like I said, this is a new spin on the infected. So the infected player does not have to reveal himself until he either shoots or infects another player. I know there's 3 people over by the Alamo. So I got Graydon here, and there's 2 more I'm just trying to find. Here's William in the zip line tower, and I didn't even notice him. Okay, I'm on the other side of the field now, and I just spotted Spike. So I'm just trying to play it cool and get a little closer to him.
I think one of those kids is infected.
Bang bang, you're dead.
You infected?
Yep. Didn't you see me at the start of the game?
No.
Oh, I was on the sand mound, then I walked across the driveway, and I thought, oh, well, if he saw me walk... He's out. Okay. Alright. We gotta go get... We can cross the driveway now. Get him. I took a hard look at this Alamo when I walked by. You never know if someone's in there, and Steve-O is hiding in here.
Oh. Oh.
I don't know how you got in there. Here, give me your gun. Yep, I've heard it again. I heard it hit again. Graydon is hiding somewhere off to the left. He's got a sniper rifle and he keeps shooting. I hear it going by. Funny, I actually do a double take. I look right at William, look away, and then like, wait a minute, there's someone there. Got William. I know Graydon's got the sniper, so I just run down through here, figuring he's not going to hit me on the run. These guys still have not found Graydon.
Oh, just now?
Yeah, okay.
Graydon's right here! I'm out!
I see him. He's down here. He's down here at the middle of the city. I didn't get a good fill on my 40 mic. That one was a bit weak.
Hello.
Spike, send somebody down here. I'm stunned. One guy left. Steve-O is moving down to cut him off.
I see him. Let's see which bunker he's in. Got him.
Okay, that's the end of the game. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you for the next one.
Yeah, Green's dead.